Hi, welcome to my classroom. I am Omonike Amoshan. Today I'll be walking you through some easy mental math tricks. For starters, what is mental math? In my opinion, mental math is a numerical calculation done in one's head. Are you faced with a challenge of working maths problems mentally? Well, here are some easy tricks to help you overcome that fear. Trick number 1 is called the 9 trick. To add 9 to any number, first add 10 to that number and subtract 1. For example, 9 plus 7. 9 can be changed to 10, add it to 7, then subtract 1 from the answer. When you add 7 to 10, you get 17. When you subtract 1, you get 16. And that 16 is the answer to 9 plus 7. But it doesn't stop at 9. This trick expands to 99, 999, and so on. Trick number 2 is called the doubles plus 1. Be encouraged to memorize the doubles from 1 plus 1 through 9 plus 9. After that, a whole lot of other addition facts are at your fingertips. For example, 5 plus 6. Once you remember that 5 plus 5 equals 10, add 1 to that answer to get 11. And that 11 is the answer to 5 plus 6. Trick number 3 is called addition facts. Once you know that 7 plus 8 equals 15, you'll be able to solve 70 plus 80 because 0 has been added to 7 to get 70 and 0 was added to 8 to get 80. So your answer will only add 0 to 15 to give you 150. The same thing applies to 700 plus 800. 2 zeros were added to the single numbers, so all you need to do is add 2 zeros to 15 to get 1,500. Only increase your answers by the number of zeros the question presents. Trick number 4 is called subtract by adding. Understanding this trick is very, very important because of the connection between addition and subtraction. What am I saying? I have an example to show for that. 8 minus 6. You think to yourself, what can I add to 6 to give me 8? Then you count on from 6. When you count on from 6, you will discover that you need to add 2 to get 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. And if 6 plus 2 equals 8, the reverse is the answer to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 will now give you 2. Trick number 5 is called 5 times a number. Turning your attention to multiplication, here is a nifty trick. To find 5 times a number, first multiply the number by 10, then halve the answer. How did we arrive at that? Since 5 times 2 equals 10, so multiply your number by 10. When you get an answer, then you halve the answer. Okay, why do we need to halve the answer? Because 5 times 2 equals 10, so that half is from the 2 that you multiplied 5 by. So an example is here to show for that. 5 times 48. You multiply 48 by 10 to get 480. When you get your answer, you halve the 480 to get 240. And that 240 is the answer to 5 times 48. Trick number 6 is called 4 times a number. If you can double numbers, you already understand this trick. To find 4 times a number, double that number twice. For example, 4 times 59. Of course, it looks difficult and you need to get a paper and a pencil. But this trick will make it easy for you. All you need to do is double 59. How do you double 59 easily? You partition 59 to get 50 and 9. So double 50 is 100, double 9 is 18. When you add them together, you get 118. So double 59 is 118. And then when you get 118, you double it again to get 236. So when you get 236, That is your answer to 4 times 59. Trick number 7, the last trick. Multiply in parts. This trick is the foundation of standard multiplication calculations. You can find 3 times 74 mentally. Oh yes, it is possible. First, you solve 3 times 70. Then you do 3 times 4. How did you arrive at that? 74 is the same thing as 70 plus 4. So, you partition 74. So, to get 3 times 70, remember that 3 times 7 is 21. So, 70 added 0. So, all you need to do is add 0 to 21 to get 210. So, 3 times 70 will give you 210. And 3 times 4 is 12. So, you add up your answers together to get 222. This brings us to the end of this class. Thank you for your time and bye.